Reporting a lost passport.
Good morning. I need some help today.
Good morning. How can I help you?
I lost my passport yesterday.
I am sorry to hear that. When did you notice it was missing?
I noticed it last night when I arrived home.
Do you know where you may have lost it?
I think I lost it while traveling in the city.
Have you checked all your bags and personal items?
Yes, I checked everything carefully.
All right, we can help you report the lost passport.
Thank you. What should I do first?
First, I need some personal information. Can you tell me your full name?
My name is Jackson Smith.
What is your date of birth?
It is March 15, 1995.
Do you have a copy of your passport?
Yes, I have a photo of it on my phone.
That is very helpful.
What happens after the report is completed?
We will cancel the lost passport for security reasons. Then you can apply for a replacement passport.
How long will that process take?
It usually takes a few weeks.
Do I need to bring any documents?
Yes, please bring identification and passport photos.
Is there an application fee?
Yes, there is a replacement fee. Please complete this form carefully.
I will do that now.
Once you finish, we will review everything together.
Thank you for your help today.
You are welcome. We will assist you through the process. Talking to a travel agent.
Good afternoon. I am planning a trip.
Good afternoon. Where would you like to travel?
I am not sure yet. I need some advice.
Of course. What kind of trip do you want?
I want a relaxing vacation.
How many days will you travel?
About 1 week.
Do you prefer a beach or a city?
I think I prefer a beach.
I have some great options for you.
Can you tell me about them?
One option is a beautiful beach resort in Thailand. Another option is a peaceful island vacation.
I like the sound of that.
What is your travel budget?
I want to keep my costs reasonable.
No problem. I can find affordable packages.
Do the packages include flights?
Yes, flights and hotel stays are included. Would you like a hotel near the beach?
Yes, that would be perfect.
I can book a room with an ocean view.
That sounds amazing.
Would you like travel insurance as well?
Yes, I think that is a good idea.
It can help during unexpected situations.
Do I need a visa for this trip?
I will check the travel requirements for you.
Thank you. That is very helpful.
Everything looks simple for your destination.
I would like to book the trip.
Wonderful. I will prepare your reservation today. Applying for a visa interview.
Good morning. I would like to apply for a visa.
Good morning. I can help you with that.
Thank you. What is the first step?
First, you need to complete the application form.
I have already completed it online.
Very good. Do you have your confirmation page?
Yes, I have it with me.
May I see your passport?
Of course. Here it is.
Thank you. Everything looks fine so far.
What documents do I need for the interview?
You should bring your passport, photos, and supporting documents.
I have prepared those documents. How can I schedule an interview?
We can schedule it today.
Are there any available appointments next week?
Yes, there are several available appointments.
I would like a morning appointment.
I can schedule you for Tuesday morning.
That works for me.
Please arrive at least 30 minutes early.
I will be there on time.
During the interview, answer all questions honestly.
Of course, I will do that.
The officer may ask about your travel plans. They may also ask about your job and finances.
I have documents to support my application. When will I receive the decision?
Usually within a few days after the interview.
Thank you for explaining everything.
You are welcome. Good luck with your interview. Car accident report.
Hello? I need to report a car accident.
Hello. Are you okay?
Yes, I am fine. It was a minor accident.
I am glad everyone is safe. Can you tell me when the accident happened?
It happened this morning.
Where did it happen?
It happened near a traffic light downtown.
Were any other vehicles involved?
Yes, one other car was involved.
Did anyone get injured?
No, nobody was injured.
That is good to hear.
What information do you need from me?
Please describe what happened.
I was driving slowly when another car stopped suddenly. I could not stop in time and lightly hit the car.
Was there any damage?
Yes, there was minor damage to both vehicles.
Did you take any photos?
Yes, I took several photos.
Those photos will be helpful.
Should I provide them now?
Yes, please attach them to the report.
All right, I have them on my phone.
Did you exchange information with the other driver?
Yes, we exchanged contact and insurance details. What happens next?
We will review the report and process the information.
Will someone contact me later?
Yes, if we need additional details.
Thank you for your assistance.
You are welcome. Have a safe day. Buying car insurance.
Good afternoon. I would like to buy car insurance.
Good afternoon. I would be happy to help you today.
This is my first time buying insurance.
No problem. I will explain everything clearly for you. What type of car do you have?
I have a small family car.
Do you drive often?
Yes, I drive to work every day.
That means insurance is very important for you.
What insurance plans do you offer?
We offer two main plans, basic coverage and full coverage.
What is the difference between them?
Basic coverage protects you against damage and liability, while full coverage gives you more complete protection for your vehicle. Would you like me to compare both plans for you?
Yes, please.
The basic plan has a lower monthly payment, while the full coverage plan offers greater protection and additional benefits.
I think full coverage is the better choice.
Good choice. What documents do you have with you?
I have my driver's license and vehicle information.
Excellent. We can complete your policy today.
Wonderful. Thank you for your help.
You are welcome. Your car will be protected starting today.